At CMI Toyota, your safety and that of our staff is paramount. So we wanted to take a moment to share with you some of the steps we've put in place during vehicle servicing to minimise the risk of a COVID-19 transmission within our dealership. Our team are taking extra precautions to ensure that your car is thoroughly sanitised on arrival and before you collect it. Using an antibacterial spray, we are sanitising high-touch areas such as the steering wheel, door handles, gear lever and indicators. Also, our drivers and technicians wear fresh gloves during each service and apply temporary seat covers to minimise contact with your vehicle. We understand that you may not be able to visit us right now, so for your convenience, we can arrange a contactless service whereby we'll collect, service and return your car thoroughly sanitised inside and out. We're here for you, South Australia, and we really appreciate your continued support of CMI Toyota.
Oh, what a feeling, Toyota.